Hello everyone, welcome back to Linh Linh House. In today's video, we're going to explore the timeless charm of traditional Spanish houses, from their rich historical roots to their unique design features, and how they continue to inspire modern living today. If you're someone who loves natural materials, elegant simplicity, and warm Mediterranean style, this video is made just for you. We'll take you on a journey through the origin, character, and evolution of these beautiful homes. So, grab a cup of tea and relax, because you're about to discover how tradition and creativity come together in Spanish architecture. Let's get started. Part 1. The origins of traditional Spanish houses. Traditional Spanish houses have deep historical roots, tracing back to Roman and Moorish influences. These homes emerged in regions with warm, dry climates, where architecture was shaped by environmental needs. The Moors introduced whitewashed walls, inner courtyards, and tilework. Roman influence added arches, columns, and stone construction. Over time, Spanish homes blended these traditions into a unique style. This fusion created the foundation of what we now call traditional Spanish architecture. During the medieval period, regional variations in Spain began to develop. In the south, homes were adapted to hotter temperatures with thick walls and shaded courtyards. In the north, the design responded to cooler climates with smaller windows and denser materials. The Catholic monarchs supported building traditions with religious and cultural symbolism. Local materials played a big role in shaping each region's version of the Spanish house. These early adaptations ensured durability and comfort. The influence of Spanish colonialism also played a significant role. As Spain expanded into the Americas, its architectural style was exported and reinterpreted in new environments. The core elements of Spanish houses were preserved across oceans. Adobe walls, red tile roofs, and inner patios were adapted to fit local cultures. This created variations seen in places like Mexico, California, and the Philippines. Spanish architecture became a global tradition. Rural Spain also contributed to the development of traditional housing. Farmhouses in the countryside were built for function but retained distinctive features. Clay, stone, and timber were used based on availability. Simple layouts and natural ventilation made these homes practical for families. Their modest beauty contributed to the iconic image of traditional Spanish living. Rural homes became symbols of timeless design. Throughout the Renaissance and Baroque periods, Spanish houses saw refined craftsmanship. Decorative tiles, ornate ironwork, and carved wooden doors became more prominent. Still, the essence of climate-conscious, earthy construction remained. These aesthetic enhancements did not sacrifice the practical foundation. Style and substance coexisted in harmony. Spanish homes stood out without losing their roots. religion and culture had a strong impact on home design. Catholic traditions often influenced orientation, materials, and decorative elements. The presence of crosses, small shrines, and religious art was common. Homes were also In summary, traditional Spanish houses evolved through a rich mixture of cultural, historical, and environmental influences. From Roman courtyards to Moorish tiles, each element tells a story. These homes were designed not only for beauty but for survival in harsh climates. Adaptation and craftsmanship defined their legacy. As a result, traditional Spanish architecture is both functional and poetic. It continues to inspire designs worldwide. Part 2. Characteristics of traditional Spanish houses. Traditional Spanish houses are known for their thick stucco or adobe walls. These walls help regulate interior temperatures in hot or cold weather. Whitewashing is commonly used to reflect sunlight and keep the home cool. Clay or terracotta tiles cover the roofs, giving a rustic and iconic appearance. Roofs often have overhangs to provide shade. These features are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Arches are a key architectural element in Spanish homes. They appear in doorways, windows, and corridors, lending a timeless elegance. The curved form creates softness and flow throughout the space. Wooden doors and window frames often feature intricate carvings. Ironwork in the form of railings and grills adds craftsmanship. These details reflect centuries of artisanal tradition. Inner courtyards, or patios, are central to many Spanish homes. These open-air spaces serve as a cool retreat in warm climates. Surrounded by walls, they offer privacy while inviting natural light and air. Patios often feature stone floors, plants, and a central fountain. They blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor life. Courtyards are both peaceful and practical. Natural materials are central to the construction of traditional Spanish houses. Builders use stone, clay, wood, and lime from local sources. This results in homes that harmonize with their environment. The textures of these materials give a sense of warmth and authenticity. These houses feel grounded and timeless. Sustainability was an inherent part of the design. Color plays a subtle but important role in Spanish house design. Exterior walls are often painted in earth tones or soft pastels. Inside, natural shades dominate, accented by patterned tiles and ceramics. Tile work adds vibrancy without overwhelming the space. Color is used with restraint, supporting a relaxed atmosphere. The result is a balanced and soothing aesthetic. spatial layout is carefully considered for comfort and airflow. Rooms are arranged around the central courtyard to catch breezes. Narrow hallways and small windows help control sunlight. Shaded verandas and arcades provide outdoor seating areas. Ceilings are often high to allow heat to rise. Every element serves a purpose in enhancing livability. Traditional Spanish homes embrace a lifestyle that values calm, connection, and nature. Their design encourages a slower pace of life. There is an emphasis on community, family, and time spent outdoors. Architectural elements foster peace and simplicity. These homes are more than shelter, they reflect a way of being. That is why they remain so beloved. Part 3. Modern adaptation of traditional Spanish house design. In modern times, architects continue to draw inspiration from traditional Spanish houses. The core values of simplicity, sustainability, and beauty remain relevant. Homeowners seek designs that feel timeless yet functional. By preserving key features like arches, tiles, and patios, new homes retain a classic charm. At the same time, they incorporate updated materials and technologies. This blend creates a modern rustic aesthetic. Contemporary Spanish-inspired homes often use earth-friendly materials. Stucco, recycled wood, and natural stone are popular choices. These homes are built with energy efficiency in mind. Solar panels, improved insulation, and eco-friendly finishes are added without altering the visual identity. The goal is to respect tradition while embracing innovation. Sustainability fits naturally into this design lineage. Designers also adapt layouts to suit modern lifestyles. Open-plan living areas are more common now, while still maintaining flow with courtyards and outdoor spaces. Large windows and sliding doors increase natural light. Courtyards are transformed into dining areas or gardens. These updates improve function without erasing heritage. Modern living and tradition can coexist seamlessly. In urban areas, smaller lots require creative adaptations. Spanish-style facades are paired with compact, vertical layouts. Rooftop terraces replace traditional courtyards in some cases. Arches and tilework are preserved as decorative nods to the past. Even in dense cities, the spirit of the Spanish home lives on. These adaptations prove the style's versatility. Color palettes remain true to tradition but are applied in fresh ways. Designers favor warm neutrals, earth tones, and subtle pastels. Patterns and handcrafted tiles are used selectively for accent. The emphasis is still on calm and understated beauty. Color is integrated into modern furniture and minimalist decor. The result is stylish and serene. Outdoor living remains central to the design philosophy. Patios, balconies, and verandas are essential features. Landscaping follows Mediterranean principles with drought-tolerant plants. Water features and stone paths enhance tranquility. These outdoor elements connect people to nature. Spanish design continues to foster a deep sense of place. Modern interpretations of traditional Spanish houses celebrate their origins while embracing the present. They carry forward the timeless charm and practical wisdom of old designs. Through thoughtful innovation, these homes stay relevant in today's world. Whether in the countryside or the city, they evoke warmth, comfort, and authenticity. Their legacy continues to inspire new generations. And that is the enduring power of Spanish architecture. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with Linh Linh House today. We hope this video gave you fresh ideas and inspiration for your dream home. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment below. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep sharing meaningful design content. We have many more beautiful home concepts coming your way. See you in the next video.